Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in gadgets and accessories for all your needs. Today, we're taking a closer look at the EMART Photo Backdrop Stand Kit, the best backdrop and stand for photographers, content creators, and event planners alike. Whether you're setting up for a professional photo shoot or decorating for a special event, this backdrop stand offers the perfect solution to make your background setup seamless and sturdy. First up, let's talk about the size. The EMART backdrop stand measures 8.5 feet in height and 10 feet in width, making it large enough to accommodate almost any backdrop material you need, whether it's fabric, balloons, curtains, or seamless paper. What's great about this system is that both the height and width are fully adjustable. You can quickly customize the stand to fit your exact needs, whether you're shooting close-ups or full-body portraits. Setting up the stand is incredibly simple. No need for professional help or an extra set of hands. The whole setup process can be done by yourself in minutes. The stand comes with 6 clamps to securely attach your backdrop, ensuring it stays in place throughout your shoot or event. Plus, it includes 4 clips to handle additional decorations or elements you might want to add, like streamers or fairy lights. The stability of this backdrop stand is top-notch. It's designed with a robust base and comes with 2 sandbags for added weight, making sure it remains sturdy even in outdoor environments or when there's a bit of wind. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, you can count on this stand to stay steady and support your backdrop without tipping over. Portability is another key feature. The EMART backdrop stand kit is made from high-quality, lightweight metal, which means you can easily take it with you to any location. It comes with a portable bag where you can neatly store all the components: the frame, the clamps, the crossbars, and the sandbags, all fit into this convenient carrying bag, so you can take it with you wherever your next shoot or event takes you. If you're looking for a backdrop stand that's easy to set up, highly adjustable, durable, and portable, then the EMART Photo Backdrop Stand Kit is the perfect choice. Whether you're a professional photographer, a party planner, or someone who loves creating content at home, this stand is designed to help you elevate your projects with ease and reliability. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.